Hello, my name is Jan from Anima Hookah, and today we are going to take a look at our second model, Anima Lotus. First step is to unpack everything on the table so that we can see what we are working with. As you could see in the box, you have your quality certificate, the silicone hose, a mouthpiece, LED light which comes without batteries, the crystal glass vase, porcelain with a stainless steel heart already included, and the iron floor stand. Before we start the assembly, we will take a look at the LED light. The LED light is powered by 3 AAA batteries with 1.2 volts. Get those before you assemble the hookah. You unscrew the light, just like you would normally. 1, 2, and 3. Now simply close the LED light. Make sure you close it properly. The LED light is waterproof, so make sure it is nice and tight. Next, you take the remote control, press on the top left corner, and then you can choose any color you want from the available spectrum. Now that the LED light has batteries, we will explain about the table and floor solution. In your restaurant, if you put your hookahs on the table, we recommend using it without the stand. Just put the hookah on the table and the light goes right underneath the glass. If you put your hookahs on the floor, then take the light and put it inside the hole in the middle of the stand. Then put the glass vase on top of it, and that's how we put in the light. We will now take a look at the porcelain and the stainless steel heart. What you will find on the side of the heart is a connector for the silicone hose. We will put the hose in later. The connector can of course be removed from the hookah. Just apply a little bit pressure, wiggle a little bit, and then it comes off. You can of course then put it back again. If you want to clean your hookah thoroughly, take the top horn, unscrew it, remove the silicone gasket, and now you can remove the porcelain and you have access to the rest of the heart. While cleaning, make sure not to lose the balls that are inside the exhaust vent. To put it back, simply carefully place the upstem through the middle of the porcelain and reverse the process. We are now going to fill the vase with water. Anima Lotus requires about 2.5 liters of water, but for your convenience, there is a line on the vase. When you fill it to the correct level, it gives the best smoking experience. We are now going to assemble the hookah as a whole. Take the porcelain. Down here you have a magnetic steel, and here you have the magnets which hold the system together. Right now everything should be in place and airtight. Take the hose, put in the mouthpiece of the hose, and then put the hose inside the connector. Now take the whole system and place it onto the floor stand. The last step is turning on the light. Now just place your favorite bowl atop. We recommend Quasar for the best look of our hookah. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe to see our other helpful videos. Also follow our Instagram for more photos of this beautiful hookah, and we will see each other in the next video. Goodbye.